Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Air Apple TV. Firstly, inside the package you'll find the Apple TV device, power cord, remote control and the HDMI cable. Plug one end of the HDMI cable onto the Apple TV and the other end to your television. Connect the power cord to the Apple TV and plug it into a power outlet. Use the remote to select your preferred language, and if you have an iOS device, you can choose this option to automatically transfer your Apple ID and Wi-Fi settings to the Apple TV. Alternatively, select Setup manually. Now, from the Apple TV home screen, open the App Store and use the search function to find the Air TV app. Select the Air TV app and choose Get to download and install it on your Apple TV. Navigate to the app on your home screen and launch it. Now, enter your Air TV credentials and to sign in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to set one up through Air's website or customer service. You can browse and watch the live television channels available through your Air TV subscription or access a library of on-demand movies and shows. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.